In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your mobile device to prevent lagging. To do that, we are going to free up your mobile phone RAM using simple trick. This method works for any type of devices. So let's dive into the video. First, you need to go to the Play Store. Now you need to type Force Stop Apps. This is the app you need to download. That's not a big app, it's less than 10 megabytes. I already downloaded this app, so let's open it up. So here you can see all the apps running in your phone. I already run this application, that's why this will only show 2 apps. You can remove the apps that you need to run just clicking on child icon. To run this application, all you have to do is click on boost icon. Then it will automatically force stop all the apps that are running. Thanks for watching.